Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to blend an image with text in Photoshop. Now let's get started.
First, grab the text tool and type out your text. Take a moment here, adjust the size, pick a bold font and center it on your canvas so it stands out. Now bring in your subject image, resize it and position it right over the text. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get it roughly in place. Now here's where the magic starts. Right click on your image layer and choose create clipping mask. And just like that, your image will now take the shape of your text. Pretty cool, right? Let's take it a step further. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate that clipped image layer. Now hold Alt and click on the layer mask icon. This adds an inverted mask which hides everything for now. Now select the brush tool and make sure your foreground color is set to white. Now gently start brushing over the areas where you want parts of the image to show through. Take your time here. This is where you create that nice blended effect between the image and the text. Once you are happy with the blend, you can add a few finishing touches. Maybe a background color, a soft shadow, or even some glow effects. This is where you can get creative and make it your own. And that's how you can easily blend an image with text in Photoshop and create something that really stands out.